After we made the pool, we can see its walls need to push down to its bottom level. Here we will draw a line to split this part. Also here, draw a line from this point. Then push down the wall to the pool bottom level. After that, we will make the entrance stairs with entrance and this planting bed. First, we will draw a floating step component. Draw a rectangle and make it component. Press Alt G. Name it entrance stairs. This step will be higher than finish level of the sidewalk. This edge on finish level of sidewalk. So I will move this step down to the sidewalk edge. Then move it up this step 15 centimeters. Now this step in its place exactly, and we will make rest of the steps. So to make them quickly, from this point, the overlap point between a step and another, we will draw a line to measure the height from the plan to the step face. Height is 75 centimeters. Make this line length 60 centimeters. So later when we copy this step, array done, and keep on the difference between each step. Then with move tool holding control, select this step, copy this step to this point, then array 4 copies. Now steps array is done. Note this step is at the left a little bit. Move it to align with this left edge and this step, and so on for other steps. To match the 2D exactly. Here we can see the importance of the 2D plan. It's like a guide and help us during the modeling process. Then we will copy this step, put it on this edge. Check the height between the step and the landing, 15 centimeters. Height exactly 15 centimeters. Make the last component unique to be different of other copies and adjust its scale like this. Stretch it on this area. Take a copy of this step and turn off 2D tag. Delete this line. Thickness of the floating step is 8 centimeters. Also, it will have a base in the ground. Offset this line 15 centimeters and push down 20 centimeters so the step looks floating with a base. If we don't want this part to be seen, draw a line here and push each part 20 centimeters inside. After that, edit this element. We will draw a rectangle here. Delete this line. Turn on the 2D to take from it this rectangle. Then we can give the entrance landing 8 cm thickness. And this face, make it a group and hide it to check the landing. It's exactly as required. Unhide last group. Then move it down 3 cm and give it 1 cm thickness. Turn off the 2D. Now entrance stairs have been made.